This is Matt, and this will be a video on how to download TunnelBear VPN. So I'm right here on the main TunnelBear VPN download page. Now, it's quite a funny page. I quite like this. Nice and minimalist and pretty good as download pages go. Now, the URL for the download page is tunnelbear.com/download. I will, of course, put that URL as a link in the video description to display this video. So you can just click on that and you'll arrive on this page. You don't need to go search or anything like that. Now, the minute you come to this page, it will download automatically the version for your operating system. When I arrived here, it downloaded the Mac version, as it's correctly identified that I am in fact on a Mac. If it doesn't automatically download, you'll just click the download button at the top and you'll see that it just flew up there, the icon, which is the universal symbol of something downloading on the Mac. So if you want to get it on a different device, if for some reason it doesn't actually identify your browser, your operating system even correctly, or you just want to get a different version, you can click here and you can come to this URL, which is tunnelbear.com/download-devices, and you can get it for Mac, Windows. There's also some mobile versions for iOS and Android. There's also 3 browser extensions here for Chrome, Firefox and Edge. So once you have downloaded that, the next thing to do is just to install the installer, which is the straightforward bit. You'll find the installer in your downloads location dependent on your browser. For example, I have Google Chrome on this Mac and it goes straight to my downloads folder. Now, your downloads location might be different depending on your browser configuration. But hopefully you have found this video on how to find and download TunnelBear VPN helpful. If you have, dropped this video a like, it really helps. You can get all the different versions here, and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.